is with the Israeli military.
Fernando Marman and Luis Har are now home.
For a hearing in his classified documents case, he has pleaded not guilty. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin has transferred his authority to his deputy.
All of District of Columbia, all of Delaware, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Indiana, all of Kentucky, all of Massachusetts, all of Maryland, all of Maine, all of Michigan, all of North Carolina, all of New Hampshire, all of New Jersey, all of New York, all of Ohio, all of Pennsylvania, all of Rhode Island, all of South Carolina, all of Virginia, all of Vermont, and all of West Virginia beginning at 11:01 a.m. and ending at 12:01 p.m. Test message IPAWS IPAWS Fix configuration test message.
Allergic to Skyrizi, serious allergic reactions, and an increased risk of infection.
That's so dumb how WVHL literally overrides the broadcast with the EAS. And even the broadcast is still playing with the music and stuff like that. That's so dumb. WVHL, do better than that.
There's nothing like